I'm Dr. Ankit Parashar, ENT consultant at Madhukar Rainbow Hospital, Malvinagar. Is your home a sneeze factory for kids? Let's find out why. Number one, dust mite. They can be found anywhere on your beds, on your carpets, or maybe your couches. Next up, molds. They can be found in any damp areas, maybe your bathroom sinks or maybe your kitchen sinks. Number three is animal dander. Number four, pollen grains. They sneak in through open windows or maybe doors. Number five are household cleaners. They contain certain chemicals that can cause allergy.